Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are continuing our tips series and I'm telling you how to bake flour. Now, why would you want to bake flour? If you're making something like edible cookie dough that you're going to eat raw, sometimes it's safer to bake your flour because flour can grow bacteria and it has been known to cause salmonella, much like eggs. So a lot of times people are concerned about making things like edible raw cookie dough because of the flour in it. And so this is a way to combat that problem if you're worried about it. All right, so you just need a couple simple things to bake your flour. You need your flour. We're using all-purpose flour today because I'm gonna be making some edible cookie dough that uses all-purpose flour. And you need a cookie sheet. I like to line mine with a silicone baking mat like a Silpat, or you can use parchment, and that's just really for easy removal and for easy way to pour it into a measuring cup. Then you just need your measuring cup and your spoon and your knife so that we can measure out our flour. Now remember, I have a whole video talking about how to measure flour. If you're not using a scale, you wanna make sure to spoon it, not pack it. So I'm gonna spoon this into the measuring cup and then we'll level it off. So I'm using my spoon to spoon it into the measuring cup. Again, check out that video on how to measure flour. It talks about using a scale. It talks about making sure not to pack it. And now I'm going to level this off with my flat edge of my knife. And now I have a cup of all-purpose flour, and in order to bake it, all I'm gonna do is spread it on the cookie sheet like so. I like to spread it kind of in a single layer, as single as possible, but like sort of a flat layer. And once you have that done, then I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 5 minutes at 350. Thanks for watching today. Leave me a comment and let me know what other tips and tricks about baking that you would like to see, and keep watching for even more tips.